YouTube! What is good, man? It is your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and as you can see, we're out here at the little local pond. We're about to catch bait again. I know some people only come to the channel for the sneaker content. Got my Bordeaux ones on, so I'm adding a little sneakers into it, but I also do have a hobby. I love to fish, so me and Josiah and his mom are all going to go out to the lake today, but before we do that, we got to catch bait. And to catch catfish, we love to use bluegill. So we got a bunch of them here in our pond. We're going to take care of that, but I'm going to let Josiah catch some of the fish. So without any further ado, let's get this rod in the water. So as you can see, it's really simple. Just gonna hook them up and put them in our little live well down there.
A few moments later.
Oh, a little tiny one. Y'all can see that we made it out to the lake. Everybody, hey guys. It is hot out here, so we might not be out here long, but we're gonna see what we can catch. Alarm went off already. We got something. I think you got to pull them. You got to be strong with them.
He's pulling me.
Real, keep the tip up.
I'm trying, but he gonna break it.
No, he ain't.
What?
Let's see if she can get him to the top.
I don't want him to break the line. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let him run. Let him run. Let him run. Let him run. All right, bring him up here. Finesse him up here. Woo!
I can see it. I can see it.
Alright, see if we can get him to pull him out way. Woo! Look at this big flag.
Look at that.
Look at this big.
Ooh.
I don't know if he's gonna fit in this little net.
Oh my
Got
god.
him.
Jesus.
Oh. Oh.
This big
That.
flathead.
Oh.
Been out there 5 minutes. And as y'all can see, this is what Janae reeled in. My son ran to get the scale. We forgot it in the car. Here you come. We're gonna weigh him. See how much he weighs. We're gonna get him back in the water. It's a big boy. What's up, guys? As you can see, back in the car on the way to the house. We didn't stay long at all. We only stayed about an hour and we got out of there. Everybody it was a little too hot to be fishing midday, but we had a few bites. One big bite that we missed, and obviously the 20+ pound flathead that we caught, which was worth it just by going out. Even though being a midday and it being scorching hot, we're happy. So, but before I close the video out, all of my people that come here, my sneakerheads that come to watch my sneaker content, if you love fishing, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know, you know what I'm saying, what city and state you in, what lakes, wherever, what kind of fish you like to catch. And all of the people that come to watch the fishing content and love catching catfish like I do, if you love sneakers, stay around, look at the rest of my content. I'm always posting. I'll be posting both on the channel, man. I'm not going to make a completely separate channel for my love of fishing. I'll just incorporate them both. So like, comment, and subscribe. We're still on the road to 300 subs. I'm still giving away a $30 gift card to the place of your choice if you're the winner. Champs, Foot Locker, or Foot Action. It's completely up to you, but I only can depend on you guys to get to 300 subs. So at 300, I'll announce another winner. Until next time, OV!